In this update, I look at the construction going on for Brightline in Indian River, St. Lucie, and Martin counties. I start in Sebastian, then follow the track south to sites in Vero Beach, Fort Pierce, and Stuart, before finally ending in Hope Sound. We start here on Old Dixie Highway in Sebastian. New signals and crossing protection have been installed here. Work has finally begun here in Indian River County to clear the right-of-way and prepare for the second main line, now that the legal challenges against Brightline by Indian River County are more or less over. Here is one of the crews working to clear the brush near Wabasso. Since the original double tracking was removed, brush has encroached on the tracks, so it needs to be removed to make room for the new track and for construction access. Here at 69th Street, new signals have been installed behind this building for a future crossover that will be located near here. New crossing protection and bungalows have been installed here at 65th Street. The same is true here at the Hawks Nest Golf Course crossing. Here's the current north end of the Gifford siding. This siding will disappear during the double tracking, as the siding track will become the second main line after upgrades. In Vero Beach, I came across crews installing fiber optics for the project. Fiber optics will be used for a variety of purposes, including running the signal and PTC systems. South of Vero Beach, a section of roadbed has been prepared for the second track. Work will begin on the South Canal Bridge in early 2021. In Fort Pierce, the biggest project is the Taylor Creek Bridge. Unfortunately, this drive-by was as close as I could get to this work, but they are currently working on the temporary work trestle. South of Fort Pierce, there's been a lot of progress, but unfortunately there is no public access to get anywhere near it. The Walton Road crossing is one of the access points crews are using to access this work. In Stuart, there has been a lot of progress since my last visit. Here just north of the Stuart drawbridge, the right-of-way has been cleared and some fill has been brought in. The major project here, though, is work on the Rio Waterway bridge. While not as large as some of the other bridges, it is just as important to double track this one as it is the others. Here in Port Salerno, preparations are being made for bridging a small creek here. The signals for a new crossover have been installed here. It looks like the plan for this area is to install the new signals first, then lay new track around them. More new crossing protections have been installed at the crossings in this area, but none of them have been double tracked yet. Materials are staged for when it's time to work on them. Here in Hope Sound, ties are staged for what may be a new turnout based on the different sizes of the ties. Here is an access point crews are using to access work sites leading all the way through Jonathan Dickinson State Park. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.